Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you are oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back. Hey girl, hey. I missed you guys so much. I know I took a little hiatus and I'm so sorry for that, but I am back and I'm better. That's all that I'm gonna say, okay? Quarantine ain't gonna hold me back. I have some quick DIY hairstyles that you can do with clip-ins. We're gonna get into it, and I'm also gonna tag the hair company as well because I think they're super bomb. And also I had these custom colored to match my hair. I hope you guys really enjoy this. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and also stay tuned because it's about to get real juicy, okay? So I'm gonna give you some quick and easy looks with clip-ins. You can wash, reuse, and we're gonna get into it and get these looks going so that you can slay those outfits, slay the living room, slay the grocery store, slay whatever, honey, okay? These are the clip-ins. This is what we're working with. This is the 2 clip-in. Well, 2 clips on here, snap out. Okay. It has a little netted detail on here as well, which I love. And this is 3 tracks wefts on this 1 clip in. So you can see, like, definitely gonna add some fullness and some volume. These ones I like to use in the front of my hair because it's like smaller spaces sometimes, and also I wanted to keep it as flat as possible, so you'll see me using these more so in the front of my hairline. We're gonna first start with the back of the hairline. So I'm gonna start with my ear right here. So top of my ear, and I'm gonna go across. If you are meticulous and you want your parts to be extremely straight, cool beans, go for it. I'm going to pick up a piece of my hair to push the comb down into and snap it. Pick up a piece of my hair and snap. Since this face is a little bit longer, we're going to use the 3 clips to fill in this area right here. We're right above the ear that we just made the 2 clip in process at. Same thing, pick up some hair. This is our 2nd clip in. We're going to continue to add more because we want more volume, okay? Don't worry about your parts being super clean. The focus is to make sure that your clips are secure and that you have the right size clip for the space that you're putting it in, so it's not puckering up. This 4-piece clip in, I'm going to bring to this area right here. So to create the fullness that I want in the back, I'm using where I just started that 4 clip at as my guide. Now we're gonna keep on building up, and I'm gonna fill in this area right here. But I'm gonna go back to the 2 clip and I'm gonna stagger them. Okay, so I got every single 2 clip in that I could. So I have 2 on each side right here. I have the 1 in the back. I have 1 right here. I mean, just get into it, okay? I just need y'all to get into this for 1 second. This is instant, okay? We're gonna worry about blending my hair in just a second, and I'm gonna straighten that and show you what products I use. It's the clip-ins for me. So moving along, we have 4 1 clip-ins left, okay? This is what we got left, and we're gonna work this around the top area. Who is she in my mirror? Who is she? Who is she? Okay, I mean, we not even to the press part yet, okay, y'all? That's all I want to say. Look at this. Okay, so I got my flat iron set, and we are ready to press this baby out to make sure we blend, okay? We are blending your natural hair with the tracks as seamlessly as possible. I'm gonna go in with the Garnier Fructis. This is the Sleek and Shine, but I'm only gonna do 1 pump. and they are secure. That's the point of me lifting up my hair a little bit, to make sure that the comb goes through, and also to make sure I'm picking up enough hair that I'm not pulling out my hair with these combs. Woo! Who is she? I love it, okay? Love it. Okay, so next style, we're gonna flip this over, okay? In case you're not feeling the middle part, you can go with the side part. Bang it out, okay? So we're gonna take out some of these on this side. I prefer to have this ear show. This is my side. I like to wear my side part like this to show off my earrings because, you know, they hurt, and I'm gonna show them off because I paid good money for them, okay? And I went through the pain of sleeping on my left side for a long time, okay? Okay. So this is one headband I got from Pretty Little Thing. I love this headband. It's like one of my favorite. Oh, hey. So we went from that center part to a side part. Of course, I cut the ends already, so it looks a little bit more polished. Get into her, okay? Side part with a headband. Style number 2. Again, quick changeover. All I did was take out 2 single clip ends. Next up, we have the infamous half up, half down. I still have the same tracks in the back. All I did was part it here, of course, to give the half up, half down effect. So all of the clip ends are out in the front of my hair. And we're gonna add some in. But first of all, I wanna put my hair in a ponytail because I wanna keep this part that I have in the back. I'm gonna start with the clip in the back. And I'm gonna go with the 2 clip in, the 2 clip. Put one more 2 clip right here. I'm gonna put a single clip in over this side. I'm going to do the same thing to this side, a single clip in. Take my ponytail out in the back. I like to pull down my little sides right here, make it look a little bit more natural. We are in the half up, half down. Still got those same tracks that I laid down in the back. Again, you could go for the knot at the top. You can go for it all in the back, slicked up. I wanted to do the 2 pieces because I'm feeling this hairstyle right now. This is all my hair in the front right here, but feel free to add in like a clip in. You're just gonna part this space a little bit more wider, and we're just gonna wrap this baby around. Like so. And this is her, you know. Can it be a little, what is it, Harajuku Barbie or something? You know, type of vibes. And last but not least, so we had the center part, we have the side part with the headband. We have the half up, half down. You can put it in the bun by itself, all slick back. Do the 2 pieces down like I just did. So we're like 4, 5-ish, depending on how you remix them. My last and final one, I love it because I felt like I love a good ponytail, okay? I love a good high ponytail, and that's what we're about to give, okay? This is the final look right here for the high ponytail side piece. This is my favorite look of them all because I love a good ponytail. I hope you guys enjoy watching this with me. I hope you practice these. If you do, please tag me in them. I'm gonna post my Instagram and all my social media ways to contact me, my email, whatever you want to do, okay? Thank you so much. I love you, doll faces.